Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Metal and signing into your account so clips sync. Give the app microphone, camera, and screen capture permissions, otherwise recording will fail. Once done, enable the Metal overlay in the app settings so you see indicators while you play. Set a primary hotkey for record and a secondary hotkey for instant clip. This saves time during action. These steps get you ready to capture. Now move on to configuring exact quality and sources, which is where most issues appear. Now configure what you actually record. Choose full screen, a specific window, or a game process. Metal captures differently for each. Pick resolution and frame rate, 60 FPS for smooth gameplay, 30 FPS to save space, and set bitrate to balance quality and file size. Next, route audio. Make sure game audio and your microphone are selected and levels are sensible. Once your save folder is set, test with a short recording so you confirm everything records as expected before committing to longer sessions. You record using the hotkeys you set earlier. Press record or capture an instant clip during a key moment. After recording, open Metal's editor to trim start and end, add a title and tags, then export at your chosen quality or share directly to social platforms. Make sure to check saved file sizes and playback. If something goes wrong, no audio, dropped frames, or missing overlay, first verify permissions, then update GPU drivers, and finally restart Metal and your PC before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.